Yo, so how do you stay in touch with people and show your fancy videos when you're in the middle of nowhere and you've got no internet? Well, I'll tell you how. Starlink. Internet from the sky, apparently. So we've gone and ordered a portable unit. So what's in the box? Let's have a look. Oh, Starlink. All right, let's see. Oh, there's a grey box with a brown bit inside. Oh, so you get a stand and a dish, which is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Okay, 50 meters of cable apparently. That's the dish. Some paper and a fancy looking router thing, which looks like it's mains powered. So how can you have this as portable and it's mains powered? Look, there's even a mains plug. How can I run that in a field without a generator? I thought it would be like battery powered or something, 12 volt. Oh well, a power inverter it is then. Let's set it up and see what we got. Starlink. Dun, dun, dun. So, here's the dish. So we're in the middle of nowhere, and she's quite heavy. I think it's like just over 6 kilos, this bad boy. Anyway, you stick your dish, and then you come in here, and you hit that unstow, this one here. Ooh, and then so there you go, Starlink, motorised dish, pretty cool. It's about 8 kilos all in with a router and the cables, I think. A few problems so far is, firstly, it's portable, but it needs mains power, so you either need an inverter, battery supply, generator, or power supply, or solar, or something to run it, which is really kind of annoying. I would have thought it had a 12-24 volt hookup on the router to power it all, so you could do something a bit more flexible than having to carry another huge piece of kit. Though we'll look at these portable inverters with the lithium power supply. The other problem is I can stow it, but it won't unstow from the app. I have to reset the router, and then it'll unstow and calibrate and stuff. And speed, as you can see, less than half the connection speed compared to the download speed. So I don't know what's going on there. I shall go and try this in another location. It's trying to tell me that there's some kind of blockage to the line of sight, something in the way. As you can see, it's not exactly, it's kind of, you know, it's pointing at the sky, Elon, not at a house. Anyway, let's try it somewhere else. But there you go, Starlink portable. Let's see if it's worth having. Ciao, thanks for watching. There is one other thing that I don't like. You can only use it wirelessly. There are no RJ45 connections, so no Cat6 or whatever that you can connect to this router. So you can only use it wirelessly. It's another problem, Elon.